Good morning and Merry Christmas from the bearded Bleepers. We're what could be possibly our last dig of the year. I think we've probably all run out of metal detecting credits with the family, so we're going to try and get out for another one and see how we get on. But yep, back at the beautiful Leith Hill. As you can see, it's looking stunning again today. The lads have already got cracking below. I think we've had a couple of decent early finds. Yanne's had a Vicky penny. I think Ashley's had a thrupenny bit, but no major discoveries yet. So we're going to crack on and see what we get. Oh yes, that looks just about perfect. Let's get in there. Whoa! Down onto something. There we go.
I saw the guy that owns that house over there, and I had a little chat with him.
Where did that go? There's a nice bit of... oh, there we go, look, he's in the side here. Let's bring you round a bit. No, here we go, can you see sticking out there? I think it's going to be a blanker, but I'm happy because it's my first coin of the day. Oh yeah, that's not only is it blank, but I think it's a muddy mess, so getting anything off it at the moment is going to be a toughie. Rather fluorescent cleaning cloth, right. Possibly something on there. Oh, yeah, no idea. Right, we'll just have a proper look later. Hopefully we recover something off that. If it's any good, I'll let you know. Michael's just said he's got us something up. What you got, matey?
Nothing that exciting. It's a thrupenny bit. Yeah, thrupenny bit.
Oh well, it's been pretty slow so far, isn't it?
Yeah,
but
very quiet.
Yeah, but we're starting to get a few bits up.
Yep, better than out.
Yeah, I'm just on one over here. I think it was coming up quite nicely actually. So I'm fairly convinced it's going to be a coin. So let's see what we get. Oh, right. I just got the glimpse of a coin there. So I'm going to spin you around this side. Let's get you settled in. Right. So, let's get some of this up. What have we got? Ah, not a coin. I thought it was, I saw that bit, but it's actually a knob. Sorry for the false excitement there. Don't think there's anything else. No, that was it. Yep, one brass knob. Ashley thinks he might have a coin, but then he also thinks he might have a can or anything. You're in the plug.
It's giving us the right numbers for a coin, but
Yeah.
lost it.
getting quite surfacey, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh look, there's something.
Yeah.
It's a coin.
Or is it a bun?
No, it looks like a coin. It looks like a big thick one. Right, you do the honours, sir. Yeah, is it a thrupenny bit? Yeah, looks like it, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Come on, the edges there.
That's
Angled
the
edges.
second one we've had today. They're pretty common, aren't they?
That's a pair of thrupennies.
Pair of thrupennies.
Just what every man wants.
Yeah. Right, well I'm going to leave you clean your thrupenny bit. And I'm off to try and find my own. Very slow morning for me. I think the others had a few bits up, but we have done this area already, so not expecting to be turning up loads. Yeah, just push on and see what we get. Right, this is another little bit of a sketchy one. I think I'm going to try it. Not sure what to expect really. Let's give it a go. Oh. Oh, I think I saw that there. Was it a shotty cap? Oh. Yeah, oh, it's not a shotty cap, but it's a cap of something, like a bottle cap. Ah, I don't know what that is, but a bit different, isn't it? Okay, nice. Footpath which runs across this field here, and it's starting to get a few decent signals up, so I'm hoping we're going to get some decent finds from around here. So there we go, there's the first. And we get into that and see what we got. It. There's something coppery touching that. Oh, there we go. It's a coin. What have we got? Looks like some sort of halfpenny. Let's get the cloth. Another one which is looking, oh no, maybe there's something on there. God, there's some really clayey mud sticking. Yeah, I think we might get something off that. Definitely legend round the edge. That is readable. Not by me, unfortunately, at the moment with my rubbish eyes. So we're going to come back to him. Let's see if we can at least see what the head is on there. Nope. But there is stuff on it. So I think it could be slightly older. It's funny shape and funny size to it. Right, guess come back to it. Okay. Right, we're just catching up with Michael, and again, the swine has got a bumper haul.
Okay, well I'm not sure about a bumper
Shall we start off with your? Oh right, silver sixpence.
1929. I'll just.
So is that what, George V on there?
Yeah, George V.
Yeah.
So that's that one. We have this very interesting little bell.
That is a nice thing, isn't it? So it's like a stainless steel.
Yeah, some form of coat, maybe zinc.
Yeah, zinc plating or something like that. It's a crotal bell, isn't it?
It's got Victoria on one side, and on the other side it's got number 23. So
how strange.
Quite nice though.
And then you've got a handful of curios.
Yeah, bits of lead,
coins.
Victorian things. This is quite interesting.
Oh.
1978 Nairobi racecourse.
Okay.
So quite random. In Leith Hill. Vicky's thrupenny bit. Yeah, don't know what that is. That is a few buttons, Victorian stuff.
Yeah.
Some George II, George III's.
Yeah.
That's kind of it. Really.
Everything with a liberal coating of mud. Yeah.
The musket ball, of course.
Oh, that's a decent size, isn't it?
I think this one's just like a little farthing or something.
Yeah.
Couldn't quite get a lot off it. I've got a. Yeah, you can see Britannia.
It's a farthing,
so,
isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, well done, matey. That's
sorry.
You're saving the team there. We're all slacking today. Right, well done. We've got some catching up to do with Michael.
Need a bigger bag.
Yeah. Right. Well, let's get going.
Yeah, we got that.
Right, I've just chanced upon this one, and that's definitely getting a dig in. Right, flip flop. Oh, I can see it in there already. That looks like a coin. Just sneaking in the plug there. Just poking out. So what have we got? It is about as grotty as they come. Don't think I'm going to get anything off that. Well, throw it back in the hole. But there we go. Give him a clean up later. See if we can get anything. Jan's just found one of my favourite finds, and it's a spectacle buckle.
Just came up.
Oh, lovely. It's not the most ornate of ones, but it's cool, isn't it? It's teeny.
But I do like the shape of this with these little bits,
it's different, isn't it?
It did have the actual thing on it, but it fell off.
Oh, the pin, yeah. They can come free quite easily.
Never mind.
Oh, I like that, babe.
Yeah, so
Well
that'll be
done.
my best find of the day so far.
Yeah, so it's been what's been a pretty slow day. That's probably one of the better finds.
Yeah. Oh, well, I didn't show you my little sealed it from Sutton and Richmond.
Does it say Sutton and Richmond?
Yeah, we looked it up on the thing.
We found-
1806.
We found one of those in another field actually.
company. Yeah.
Mm.
You think it's off a bag, don't you? Or-
Ashley got one from the other field, didn't he?
That's a nice little find as well.
Yeah.
Bit of history. And my
Lovely.
most tiniest bullet of tiny bullets.
You're showing off now. Show us your tiny bullet.
There's my teeny bullet. Oh, and I got this as well, which is all right.
Yeah. Oh, you've done all right.
It's not bad, yeah.
Yeah, and you got a couple of coins in there. Well,
And a harmonica.
yeah. Well, we've just got the weather changing on us and a bit of rain coming down, so I'm not sure how much longer we're going to stick around, but
It'll be dark soon anyway.
I've probably got a couple of holes left. Yeah, let's see what we get. Ooh.
See, the number's changed now. Every time you film me, it's tin
Just filming you does not curse it,
can.
Jan.
It does. It's a tin can now. It was a lovely Roman coin, and now
It's still a lovely Roman coin. Just me pointing the camera doesn't change what's in the ground.
it does. This better be good.
Right, zoomed in camera view. You're in there.
It's in the plug. Oh, I just know what's going to happen now. Has Father Christmas left me something nice in my hole?
Oh, the can looks like it's quite deep.
Oh God, it's disappeared now.
It's never going to let you at the end of it if it is a can. It's in there.
It's changing. Alright, we're going to have to cut through. Let's just do it.
Need your Clodbuster 3000.
Yeah, slice through the cake. It's not there.
Oh, no, is it that?
I thought it was deep in this, but obviously it's not. Nice.
Oh,
I'm getting a bit wide because it's
quite
near.
shallowy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's never a good sign. Oh, come on. Trying to do it quickly. Oh, well, see,
one of
yes,
them.
yes, the curse has. You're not filming me anymore.
Merry Christmas, mate.
Is it?
Darkness is on its way. So, ending on a decent target. Let's see how we do. Right, well, it looks like we're in the plug. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, ending on a coin. I think it's only a 2p, but yeah, what is that? I'm going to say 2p. Can I be bothered to give that a scrub? I'll give it a quick wipe. Oh yuck, it is vile out here. No, maybe it's not. Oh, not sure. Oh, I think it's something else. Something potentially quite interesting. As you can see in this light, there's a rim round there, and it looks like it's sort of a weird elongated figure holding a bow or something. Or a staff. Don't know what that is. Wow. I wonder what it is. It's not really. It's obviously not old because it's quite well made and it looks like it's milled. But it's something a bit different. Right. I can't really tell too much at the moment, so it's going to be a down the pubber, so we'll see what we got. But that's a sweet last hole. Cool. Right, made it down the pub. Got our pints and we've got our fines, so I think we'll start with Yanne. How'd you get on, mate?
Not too bad. The last 3 finds were my best, so I'll just quickly do these. Coins of nothingness. George Hill, I think it is, and a nice Vicky coin. It's like a black colour, which you don't usually get, but it's probably because of some reason, I don't know. This little seal, lead seal for Richmond Seed Company, founded in 1806. Did we say it was a George III, I think? Right, and then got this nice little button, silver-ish, but I don't think it's made of real silver. A harmonica. Probably the best one today, the post-medieval buckle.
Yeah, spectacle buckle, yeah, that's really nice.
And then my last find, Best Buy, well not what's it, Best Buy, and halfpenny. Oh no, not halfpenny, cartwheel.
Your cartwheel penny, yeah.
And that's it. So, and
That's
a tiny,
nice.
tiny bullet.
Your teeny weeny bullet.
Yeah.
Nice, well done, mate.
Well
You had a good day.
Yeah, it's alright.
As for me, my day was not too good at all. I only managed 4 kinds and
Yeah.
some kind of random bits and bobs there. So that's $0.25. Don't know what that was doing there. That's quite out of place. And I think that's George II, but it's pretty gone. Don't know what that is. And a George V halfpenny. And then we've got Mick here. And he's managed to get a
1916 one penny
yep.
and a 1908 halfpenny. Or
Yes.
the other way around, one of the two.
So that's Edward VII penny. Well done, matey. So that's us done. So Merry Christmas, everybody,
Happy Christmas
and we'll see you probably. We might be out before the New Year, but if not, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
cheers.